After figuring out how the hub works and how it folds and unfolds to charge more than one battery at the same time, it's not really at the same time, but it's finish one, go to the next. So the same cable that uses one battery to charge, you can just connect it to the hub and add all the batteries too. As you can see here, it started with this battery. It didn't start on the next ones yet until it finishes this battery. So it works differently. They don't charge at the same time. But it beats me why there are more chargers with a different cable versus the actual battery. If you have a hub, you could have made it all the same connections. Anyway, we will charge and go.